Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Joe Mart.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, yung order ko rito is yung nozzle ng portable pressure gun. So ayan, box natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. So guys, in order ko is dalawa para in case na masira, meron pang isa. So guys, si seller is legit. So ito yung order ko guys. Ito yung nozzle sa portable na pressure washer, yung sa baril.
Ang galing! Ang galing!
So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.